It looks like the same Chevrolet over here. Yes, because one is a police car.
What about this one?
And the other one is a sports car.
What about this one?
And what about this one? Which one?
Superman.
It's a Superman Hot Wheels Happy Meal Toy Car.
And what about this? Batman police. Welcome to Story Review. Yay!
The police car accident.
Yes, there.
Do you like your new police cars?
Yes.
Are your police cars faster than the bad guys?
Yes.
That's great. Okay, let's go and catch more. Anyone that breaks the law will be caught by the police car.
Available unit TST is reporting a blacklisted vehicle on Highway 12 westbound. Be advised, drivers wanted on multiple charges.
Where's another Mercedes-Benz?
Where's another Mercedes-Benz?
Another bad guy.
Another bad guy? Where?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fast, man.
Available unit TST is reporting
Oh, they caught the car. What car is that?
Be advised, drivers wanted on multiple charges.
They caught the Ferrari.
Might be possible 422.
Wow, with your new police car set, you can catch all the bad guys.
And what about this car?
And what about that car? Oh, there's no police to catch him? Don't worry. Your police cars are fast enough. Yes, go and catch him. Call for backup, call for backup. A Range Rover police car, which one? No, the Range Rover. Yes, bring your Range Rover, come on, we need to start the engine. Let's put it here and start the engine. Come on, you want to hear the engine sound? Siren sound coming in.
What about this car? What about this car?
Oh, he's speeding. Come on, use your Volkswagen. The Volkswagen is the nearest.
No.
Yes.
No, this one.
You want to use that, the Range Rover?
Yes.
Because the Range Rover is super fast. Okay, let's go. Range Rover, come on, you can do it. Go and catch the red Mercedes-Benz. Stop him. Oh, you stopped him already?
Yes.
Alright, that's great. You need to use your Chevrolet police car. Where's the Chevrolet police car? Yes. Okay. The chase is on. He's closing in. He needs backup. He needs backup. All units in the area, come on. Roger that. Roger that. We're coming in. We gotta stop all the cars speeding. It's an illegal race. Alright. Police car, did you catch them? Illegal speeders. Stop them already. Okay, you got a Ferrari. Who's gonna catch the Mercedes-Benz? The black Mercedes-Benz? Oh, your Volkswagen caught up with them? That's a very fast Volkswagen.
What about this one?
Oh, the Volkswagen is not fast enough. We need to call backup. Come on, get a Range Rover, the Range Rover. I think the Range Rover can catch the black Mercedes-Benz. Oh, you got the Mercedes-Benz.
Car.
Superman is coming to join the police force. Maybe we need Batman as well. What about Batman? Look over there. Yes, that's Batman. Can we have Batman? Oh, look at Batman. Can we see Superman? Where's Superman? Okay, let's start over here. What car is this?
Mercedes-Benz.
The red one?
Ferrari.
The Ferrari is over here. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, what about this police car, the black one? This one, what is this?
I don't know.
It's a Chevrolet Camaro police car. And what about this blue police car?
The black car.
The blue one is a Fastlane police car.
And
what is this black car over here?
Mercedes-Benz.
Yes, from the three-pointed star in the front there.
And what's this?
Oh, and what is this police car?
It's Volkswagen.
It's a Volkswagen
And
police
what about
car.
this?
And what about this one?
This Porsche.
It's a
What
Porsche.
about this one?
What about this police car?
Jeep.
It's a Range Rover police jeep.
And what about this?
And what about this?
No.
It's a Chevrolet.
Chevrolet. What's a Chevrolet? But not.
It looks like the same Chevrolet over here.
But not.
Yes, because one is a police car
And what about this one?
and the other one is a sports
What
car.
about this one?
And what about this one? Which one?
Superman.
It's a Superman Hot Wheels
And what
Happy
about
Meal toy car.
And what about this? Batman for this.
Happy Meal toy car. Yes, this is a McDonald's toy car. Okay. So of all these police cars, which is your favorite police car? Can I have a look?
This one.
Which one?
This one is this one.
The Chevrolet?
Yeah,
And
this one.
and which one? Which one?
The big Jeep.
The big Jeep, the Range Rover?
Yes.
What about the Volkswagen? Do you like the Volkswagen?
No.
Why? Because it's only got one siren,
Yes.
but it looks cool.
Yes.
It's got two doors. It looks like a sports car. Check it out. Wow, hear that sound. Okay, let's hear the sound of the Range Rover. So solid. Listen to that sound when it opens. See? It gives you the feeling that it's a big, huge police car.
And that body goes sound or not?
You want to hear the sound of your Chevrolet? Wow, that's a solid sound as well.
Go sound.
What I like about this car is it says over here, for emergencies, dial 911.
Like this one. Oh, the sound, sir.
You like that?
Oh, the sound, sir.
Yes, they've all got sounds.
Yes.
And they all can open the doors.
Yes.
I think we should unbox the next surprise.
Yes.
The one which has lights and sounds and pullback action.
Think the truck.
And your tanker trucks?
Yes.
Alright, check out the next videos and we'll unbox the tanker trucks
Yes.
and your light and sound sports car.
Yes.
Alright, say bye bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.
Show me the pullback action again. Wow! Can you catch the red car? Oh no! Both your cars crashed. Can we turn the cars around?
Yes.
I'd like to see the front. Wow! Which is the red car?
This one.
And which is the black car?
This one.